Hey everyone, Mike and I are here again at Huntington Beach at our latest listing. This is 18 units located at 7701 Yorktown Avenue, right off Beach Boulevard, down the street from City Hall, Huntington Beach High School, and also Seacliff Shopping Center, which is a grocery anchored shopping center. So this is in a great location. Mike, tell us about the property.
Right, well, it was built in 1973 and 1974. As Dan mentioned, 18 units, mostly 2-bedroom, 1-baths, and we're over a 30,000 square foot lot too.
Absolutely, so you've got well parked. We're gonna go walk through the parking, check out the property, and talk more about the numbers. So come on, let's walk through.
We'll have 2 stories here, downstairs, upstairs. As far as new improvements on the property, we've got exterior paint, windows, railings, decks as well. So it's a very well maintained property.
Nice and quiet, looks to be in great shape. So the ownership, and again, this is the first time this property's been on the market in 30 years. So the ownership has converted this into a legal ADU. So
Yes.
This is the 18th unit, which is a studio.
They did this of December 2023. This used to be a manager's office, and then they went and got a permit to get this done, and it's a legal ADU. So now we have 18 units here.
So of the 18 units, the other 17 are 2-bedroom, 1-bath units, averaging just over 900 square feet each.
Yep, that's correct.
All right, let's take a look at the laundry room.
These washers and dryers are new as well too.
It's a good size.
What I like too is select units will have their own private balcony or patio too for some outdoor space. And I think the crown jewel of this property is the parking. We have 17 garages and 18 open spaces for 35 total for 18 units.
Now it's well parked. No tuck under. All on one grade. So there's some opportunities to add some ADUs since it's so well parked.
Right, yeah. So we see a minimum of 2 ADUs going here. We can easily do garage conversions, add 2 studio ADUs, and they would be directly behind us here. Also, there is optionality to look into detached ADUs as well.
So you get up to 20 units. That's going to get us over a 5 cap. If we stabilize rents, one of the things to note here, there's a few more things to note. One of them is that the rents are pretty close to market. So you're not buying a very low cap rate and you have to put a ton down. Also, there's an Assumable agency loan, 5% interest only for the next 7.5 years. With the asking price of $7.9 million, it's approximately 58% down. With the ADUs, you're going to get over the cost of the debt, and you don't even really have to bump rents on this building. You can just go in and add the ADUs and get your cap rate over, and you got positive leverage.
Right, as you said, there's not too many times where we can get a Assumable loan for another 7.5 years. Sometimes you'll see in the market right now for another 2-3 years left, but this has got 7.5 years at 5% interest only, 42% LTV, 58% down.
Yeah, I mean, that's cheaper than where you can get interest rates today. So interest rates today, you're probably in the mid to high 5s. So you're in the money on the rate. You're in the money on this piece of real estate here in Huntington Beach. Mike and I have seen an influx of buyer demand. This is the first time that we're opening this up to the market. We've just signed a listing. We're very excited about it. We've got the marketing brochure right here. So we're going to be conducting tours, launching the listing. If you're in the market and you want to talk one-on-one to Mike and I about touring this property, let's discuss it first. We'll get you a brochure and go through it with you on the phone. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we will see you again soon.